Hello, all my beautiful souls. Welcome once again to Divine Hand. I welcome you all, and I'm very happy. I am today going to make a new video for you all. And the topic of the video is that what you can expect in your coming 3 months. Okay, so I do have put 3 stones in front of you, and you can check all the stones. Let me show you. This is pile 1, this is pile 2, and this is pile 3. So let me have a closer look. This is pile 1, this is blue stone. I hope you can see it clearly. This one is orange, yellowish orange stone. I hope it's clearly visible, sweethearts. And this one is the purple stone. It's a beautiful purple stone, right? So you have these 3 choices in front of you, in front of Sai Baba. By taking the blessings of Sai Baba, you can choose any of the piles. Either you can choose one, or you can choose more than one, or whatever you're drawn at. Okay, so now I'm going to start with pile number 1. That is the blue stone. So those people, hello pile 1, those who have chosen this blue color, let us just see your message. What message have you gotten here? Oh, that's so nice. It's 2 of moons. That's an amazing card. So here what I feel is something that is related to heart. Some of your matters that are related to heart are going to resolve. If you are looking for a partner, you are going to get a partner. If you are married, then your married life is going to be awesome. And even I can say it doesn't comes only about love and affairs, but this is 2 of moons. So it means that whatever you are desiring, you had desired earlier, any of your dreams that are going to be successful, that are going to be fulfilled in these coming 3 months. So that's amazing, dears. Now let us check out some tarot cards for the confirmation that whether our main card, our message card, what message the card has given us is going to resonate or not. Or we do have certain other messages, so I'm just going to take it. Okay. So first card, oh my gosh, see, we have 2 of cups. Amazing. That's amazing. We have King of Cups. So surely it's and we have 8 of Pentacles. So what I feel here is that matters related to your heart. Heart is going to rule this particular reading for pile number 1. Those who have chosen this blue color, guys, you are emotionally, you are going to be fulfilled, and there is a twin flame soul mate connection here. If you are looking for a partner, if you are just going for just to get a partner, if you're waiting for a partner, you're going to get it within this 3 months. If you are already married, then definitely your people are in you are that is the message that I'm getting, that you people are soulmates, and some of you can be a twin flame as well. And here what I'm just getting is like you have tried a bit harder for the particular relationship, or for something that was bothering you from last few months. But now, as you have become a master of it, you're going to master that art, and you are going to win successfully. You are going to be winning the situation within this coming 3 months. So that's awesome, guys. This is something that has been confirmed by the tarot cards. What we got with our message card, we got 2 of moons, and again this is a confirmation with 2 of cups. Here you have tried, or maybe on a male part, somebody who's a male who had been trying harder, or someone female who's been trying harder on the male partner. Maybe both are going to win the situation, because now you have become a master. You're going to become a master even regarding your if I say about your career. So definitely you're going to your career is going to be boosted up, because in the coming 3 months, because now you have tried, you have labored a lot, guys. You have toiled harder, and now you have become the master of whatever you were doing on. Okay, so this was the reading, and amazing reading. So all the best to you all, guys. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, just like, share and subscribe it. Now we will go for those who have chosen pile number 2, this beautiful orangish stone. Let us see the message here. Wow, come on, the Lovers. That's cool. So what I feel with this message card is, it's not only about love. Of course, you can get those who have who are single can get a partner, who can get an options, but you have to be quite careful. You have to be don't be very choosy, don't be very careless while choosing something in regarding to a relationship, or in regarding to even something related to your money matters as well. If there is an option, then kindly choose it with care. Choose it with care, choose it in an active manner, and just think about the pros and cons, then choose it. That's what I was getting the message. Now let us take out some tarot cards for you. Okay, we have the Page of Pentacles. Here we have the Page of Pentacles. Then we have the Four of Pentacles. Oh my gosh, the Knight of Pentacles. Only pentacles, pentacles and pentacles. So this means that whatever it is related to finances, and definitely you are getting a breakthrough, a new opportunity. You may get more than one, and among those two opportunities you have to choose a one that willfully you are going to choose it. And after that it will provide you stability in long run. Starting initially it will be a slow kind of game at the start. Like slowly it will start, and then it will take its time to get matured. And after that, but that new opportunity is going to get you in a long run, and that opportunity is going to provide you stability in your life. Okay, that is one aspect of this reading. The other aspect for few people, for a couple of peoples, is that something that you have started on which that is you're getting some pace, but slowly and steadily. You need not have to be very kind of what to say, miser. Don't be miser. Don't get into that miser mode that, oh, I don't have enough money, and I am not getting that much what I require or what I am worth of, right? Don't get into a complaining mode. Don't be very restrictive when it comes to spend money. Okay, because you have to spend money as well. It's not that you only have to just secure your money and you just have to put it inside the box, and just you have to you need not have to consume it, you need not have to spend it. Don't be unspendthrift. You are not going to be anyways, but still it's good to save money, but it is not good to over save the money. You have to spend it also. So you can get a habit of becoming miser, becoming kind of a person who is very reluctant of not spending money at all, and so don't get into that mode. That is a warning kind of, I'm telling you, because it will it can happen, because you are going to start something, and it's going to it will gain its momentum slowly, and it will gain you a lot of money, it will give you a lot of money as well. But that is what I'm telling you, don't be a miser. You have to spend also and help others as well. Okay, so this was all about you people, those who have chosen second pile, this orangish color. I wish you all the very best in your life, guys. Now let us start with the reading of pile number 3. Those who have chosen this beautiful purple color stone. Let us first of all check your message. We have the postulant. Okay, so we have here, it is a postulant of stars. So here what I'm getting is, there is something, couple of people who are gaining clarity. Even major, the meaning of this card is clarity. So you are going to get clarity in your life. Maybe you are in the middle of something, and you are in a stalemate situation, on a crossroad. You are not getting what to do, what not to do. But this is what I'm telling you, that this is a good sign, and within coming 3 months, in between these 3 months, definitely you are going to get clarity on what you should do and what you should not do. Maybe you are confused currently. So let us see what our tarot cards are confirming. Just have a look on it. So we have 3 of Wands. Okay, again we have 3 of Cups. 3 number is quite important, I think. Yeah, we have 7 of Swords. See guys, that's what I was telling you. This is the only thing that we were discussing you earlier also. Like, this card is telling you that, you know, you are coming out of a situation, you are gaining clarity. Currently you are in this situation where something is being hiding from you. Either you are hiding something, either you are just struggling inside of yourself, either you are fighting within yourself. Okay, or somebody else is betraying you, or somebody else is hiding something from you. So within these 3 months, it could be regarding anything, regarding your personal life, your professional life. It can be this, what I am talking about is, this could be for your emotional aspect also. This could be financial aspect as well, right? So here what's happening is, you are gaining clarity, you are expanding yourself. There is an expansion, and even the celebration is also there. And 3 number, that is 3, has been come twice. So we can say that 3, this is even confirming it, that within this coming 3 months, definitely there is a major issue, a part of life, your life. I think that you have passed out in struggling something. For a couple of people, they have been fighting within themselves. Somebody may be fighting. For a couple of people, it could have happened that they have been fighting for their for their seat, for their job, for their progress. It is related to financial aspect, so that you can resonate accordingly, according to your situation. But yes, of course, within these coming 3 months, you people are coming out of it, and straightforwardly, you are coming out of it, and you're gaining a lot of clarity with so much of what I can say, with so much of tumult and with so much of stormy weather. You are just cutting it out, everything, with your clear mind. You have this sword, and then you're coming out of it. Okay, so gaining clarity after such a long time, I suppose. Maybe it could have happened that it is a dream for you, that it should come true, maybe sometime I will get some clarity, I will get rid out of this situation. And right now guys, this is the time, within these 3 months you are going to get out of this situation. So this is a wonderful reading. You're gaining a clarity, a I suppose most desired and most wanted clarity that you had always admired of. You're going to get it, and that's awesome. So this was all what I had for you guys. So I hope you had enjoyed, you have all have enjoyed the reading. If you like it, then please like, share and subscribe the channel, and thank you so much for watching it.